How to private the photos on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, tap on your profile at the top right corner. Then tap on your profile again. Now here you'll be able to see your profile. Now just tap on the photos option. As you tap on photos, you'll be able to see different photos that you have already posted. Now to change the privacy of the photo, all you have to do is go to the particular photo and then select on the three dotted lines at the top right corner. And then here at the bottom, you can see the option of edit privacy. Tap on edit privacy. And here right now it's toggled on to public. Now you can change it to your friends accept, or you can just turn on only me. Then go back. Now it's been saved and it will only be seen to yourself. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.